Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to congratulate to the establishment of the Sino-European Community of Intellectual Development. I believe at this time it is very important to establish this collaboration across the world and then contribute to each other's work and support the development of pedagogical innovations and children's thinking skills. My name is Zsolt Lavicza, and I'm a professor in STEAM education research at Johannes Kepler University in Linz in Austria. Currently, I'm running the doctoral school and then establishing a STEAM education center in Linz. And now we have more than 40 PhD students working on many different innovations in education. Especially we are focusing on educational technology, how to use technology in physical and online environments. And also we are trying to look at new technologies to integrate into education. So we are developing augmented reality, 3D printing, gamification to be able to contribute to new pedagogical innovations for education. So originally I'm a mathematician and worked on different fields of mathematics, but later I changed to education to be able to contribute to the development of pedagogy, both in schools and in universities. I worked in the University of Cambridge for 13 years, partly running the educational research courses, and currently I'm doing a similar role in Johannes Kepler University and trying to establish a STEAM education network in Europe, and then also a STEAM education center in Linz. To connect to this, I have been working with Kristóf Fenyvesi and the experience workshop STEAM movement for many years. So we have been organizing numerous events and conferences, and we work together with teachers across Europe. Also, we are part of more than 10 European projects developing educational innovations and contributing to the creativity of students in all STEAM subjects. We are working with partnership of many academic institutions, including China and including almost all continents across the world. So in our projects, we develop teacher training materials, we develop many technology supplements. So in our group, we are developing the open source mathematics or STEAM software GeoGebra. There are more than 100 million students using GeoGebra across the world. And we are developing a huge community of GeoGebra, and then also new approaches for technological innovations as well. So our group published more than 100 papers in the past 3 years about STEAM education. So you will be able to find our projects and then papers on the web. Also, we are organizing local and international conferences. So every year there are 5 to 10 conferences which we are organized. So, for example, we organized the Bridges Mathematics and Arts Conference in Linz, or the MIDA, the European Society for Mathematics Education conference on digital tools in education, and the mathematics education in the digital age conference. So I'm also the founder of the Academy conferences, which organizes meetings on educational technology for mathematics education across the world. I'm also the editorial board member of more than 20 journals, and I would be very happy to contribute to the development of your network and then starting this collaboration in the near future. Again, I would like to congratulate to your efforts, and then hope we will be able to join and contribute to your work as well. So wishing you the best, and then hope after this period of pandemic, then there will be possibilities to meet and network together. Thank you.